In this video, I want to show you how you can use JavaScript document object model to access styles and modify them. So we are going to be looking at one particular example here. Let me refresh my screen and show you what I have. I added this portion. So there is a box here, and we'll be like changing some of the dimensions of this box and the background color and all that. And then this is the first button. So this button will show you how to change the styles of a single element. Okay. So I have this box. It has a class name box and ID as box. Okay. So when I click this button, this box should change. Let's see how to do that. So first of all, let's look at the HTML. We want to access this element first and then modify its styles. So to access one element, we need the ID. So we are going to use the ID. Document.getElement by ID. Box is the ID. So now we saved the box element. So if we want to change the dimensions of this box, we can say box.style.width equal to 200 pixel. And then we can say box.style.height equal to 50 pixel. So here's the key. So it's not box.width, it's box.style.width. So that's important to say. So that's how we are changing styles. We access the element by saying .style. What if you want to change the background color? So you would say box.style.background color. So I just want you to like pay attention to the camel casing. There is no, so this is different than how we give here background color. There is a hyphen here, but when you write it inside JavaScript, you cannot put that hyphen. Instead of the hyphen, you remove the hyphen, and then make this guy uppercase. So that is the format you have to follow. So we can make the background color to blue. So we are modifying 3 styles for this one element. Let's see how that works. When I click here, the box changed. Okay. So this, every time we refresh, then we go back to our original settings. When I click this, the box changes. So we accessed one element and changed 3 styles. Any style that you can set inside a CSS can be done from here, usually. Okay. So let's do one more thing. Let's find one more element that is unique. H4, this guy, H4 ID header. Let's change his background. We are getting by ID because we want to manipulate one item at a time. And then we say H4 dot style dot background color. Let's see what happens now. Okay, both of them changed. So that's how you change the, first we access the element by the ID because we only care about one element. Then we change their styles by saying the element name dot style name. And then the third thing we have to remember is hyphens are not allowed. So instead of the hyphen, drop the hyphen, and then whatever follows the first character has to be uppercase. So those are the 3 rules that you have to follow. I'll see you in the next video.